Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. Whether it's your first time or you're returning, I ask that you do three things. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you happen to like what it is you see, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. And of course, hit that thumbs up button so I know that you like what it is that you saw. So, story time, boys and girls. When I went to the 6th grade, that's usually where I live, where people go to middle school. And so usually right before 6th grade, the school I went to would hold a skating party so that all the incoming 6th graders could kind of get to know each other, because we were coming from all different kinds of schools and a lot of times you didn't know anybody. So it was a way to kind of get to know, some of your classmates. And so usually they held this party about a week to 2 weeks before the first day of school. So anyway, I was late getting to the school. So I was the last kid that showed up. And when I got on the bus, and then there was one seat left, and that seat was by a young lady named Jamie. I walked up and I looked and she said, "You can sit by me." And I was like, "Okay." And I sat down. I was 10 years old. And me and Jamie have been friends ever since then. So we're talking over 3 decades of friendship. My friend Jamie, she's just a bad chick. She doesn't care if other people won't wear it, she'll wear it. She doesn't care if other people don't like it, she's gonna love it. She's very much stand in her truth. And I've always wanted a pair of cowboy boots. I don't know that I really had the gumption to buy a pair. And so one day I said, you know what? I'm gonna buy me a pair of cowboy boots. And since she had lauded Ariat so much, I decided to start with a pair of Ariat. Now, there's a difference between Western boots and actual, for real cowboy boots, because Steve Madden makes Western inspired boots, and Sam Edelman and Coach, they all make Western inspired boots. But true cowboy boots that people ride in, rodeo in, barrel racing and all that other stuff, they usually ain't wearing Sam Edelman and that. So anyway, here are my first pair of Ariat boots. These are absolutely, oh my goodness, gorgeous. They're so comfortable. I'm speechless. I absolutely love these boots. And these are not even wide. And I can still put my hand down in here, so if I wanted to wear jeans or whatever. My calves are not very wide. My ankles are not very big. I just have wide feet. But these, honestly, are so comfortable, and these aren't even a wide. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and show you. So here they are. This is kind of I think it's called a distressed black. It kind of comes off gray, kind of brown, but technically they're distressed black. I love the gold and copper that is all through there. These are leather, 100% leather. No polyurethane here. This is all leather. They're just an incredible pair of boots. I'll show you this. I think that's called a snip toe. And yeah, true Ariat boots. So I am in love. The Ariat boots are expensive. I've read that some of these people had their Ariat boots for 15 years before they either went and got them resold, which means that you kind of get this kind of refurbished, the sole of it refurbished. So, I mean, it's kind of hard to complain about a $200 pair of boots that are gonna last you 15 years. Like, seriously. So, anyway, these are those puppies. So, those may have been my first pair of Ariat boots, but they were not my last. Hold, please. Hey, hey. OMG. These right here, my guy, this is what I'm wearing. First day back to work. They said, "Oh, look at Osceola. She ain't playing games today." I'm telling you, I I absolutely love these boots. This color is so phenomenal. And again, these boots are so freaking comfortable. So the story about these boots is when I first got them, my surgery foot was actually really swollen and I could not get them on. And I cried. Well, I didn't really cry, but I was moped and I pouted. And apparently you can stretch boots, and there are lots of places that will stretch boots because they are real leather. So I was planning on getting them stretched, but on a humbug, one random day, I tried them on again and my foot went right in. So I mean, not even like it was hard to do it, like it slipped right in. Let me show you how easily my foot slips in, because this is my surgery foot, right? So I'm going to show you how easily my foot slips in these puppies right now. All right, so here they are, this gorgeous green color. This is more of a pointed toe than the other boots were. They have the design up top. It has the beige and coppery embroidery or whatever through the boot. This heel is a little shorter than the last heel. And of course, because it's the toe's a little more pointed, it comes out a little bit more. But again, this is an amazing pair of boots and they're super comfortable. So yeah, I was feeling myself when I finally got my foot in the boot. I was feeling myself. All right, guys, well, that concludes my shoe haul. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. Thank you so much for hanging in there. I will see you next time.